Imagine a backyard full of joyful laughter, kids having the time of their lives, and parents at ease, knowing their children are safe and entertained. This is the world of the bounce house business. Let's dive into how you can start one. Before we begin, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you can stay updated about business topics that can save you time and money. Now, Step 1. Market research. Dive into your local market to find the demand for bounce houses. Look for parties, local events, and community gatherings. A study found that 60% of parents prefer entertainment options, like bounce houses for children's parties. Step 2. Choose a business model. You can either operate from a fixed location, like an indoor bounce house park, or be mobile, setting up at various events and private parties. Interestingly, 80% of bounce house businesses start off mobile due to lower initial costs. Step 3. Budgeting and finance. A single commercial-grade bounce house can start from $2,000, and prices can soar based on quality and size. Keep in mind, a successful business may need more than one. Factoring in insurance, storage, and transport, setting aside around $10,000 is a good starting point. Step 4. Sourcing equipment. Opt for high-quality, durable bounce houses that adhere to safety regulations. Remember, durability and safety will be paramount to your reputation and success. Step 5. Licensing and insurance. Each state and country has its own regulations. Ensure you're compliant. Also, liability insurance is a must. Did you know that in 2020, bounce house injuries were relatively low, with less than 1% of users getting minor injuries? Proper setup and following safety guidelines can keep that number low. Step 6. Marketing your business. Branding, a website, and social media presence are key. Interestingly, 75% of parents report finding party services through word of mouth or social media. Step 7. Safety first. Regularly inspect and clean your equipment. Ensure that you and your team are trained in proper setup and safety procedures. A well-maintained bounce house can last for 5 to 6 years, ensuring a good return on your investment. Finally, Step 8. Growth and expansion. Once you've established your brand and clientele, consider diversifying with slides, obstacle courses, or even party planning services. The world of bounce houses is filled with fun, laughter, and potential profits. With dedication, safety, and a keen business sense, your bounce house venture can soar. To help ensure that it does, and take care of all your business licensing and registration needs in one place, please visit legalregistration.com. Or you are welcome to call our experts right now at 877-955-7111. Also, what do you think about the steps in this video? Is there a specific one that seems complicated? Drop a comment below and let us know your opinion. Please do not forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you can stay updated about important information designed to benefit your business.